Hello and welcome everybody. I am Udit Kapoor from the team's Devs Only, and today I'll be guiding you through our project that we created over the problem statement 5.1, that is the Discord bot NFT. As we can see here, a bot that automatically generates an NFT when users level up in Discord, promoting healthy conversation in the Plenty's Discord, and it builds more messages per user in the Discord and activity. As you can see, we have created a GitHub repository which consists of first our bot script that is coded in Python. Second, I have coded the Discord NFT, which is the smart pi contract, that is the crowd sale contract for our NFTs, and this is modified NFT, which is basically the standard FA2 contract, but with a few modifications to allow the crowd sale contract to call the mint function instead of just the admin. I'll be first guiding you through the process as to how the bot works in our Discord test server. I'll show you how it mints. I'll show you it will show up here in my Kukai wallet, and then I'll guide you through the code as to what we actually did. Let's hop on to the Discord. Here, as you can see, let's start with the display embed command. As soon as a user joins the Plenty Discord server, we will create a text channel that is only solely required for the minting of NFTs. As you can see, this could be the greeting message from our Plenty NFT bot. Plenty NFT bot. Welcome to Plenty NFT bot. You have been of great value to our server, and to appreciate your participation, we want to reward you with a free NFT. So here, the mint cost is actually zero TES, and Plenty only has to bear the gas fees because we are airdropping the NFT to the user. All right, so let me just show you the help of code. Yeah. So as you can see, there are about 1, 2, 3, 4 commands that the Plenty NFT bot currently accepts. First is display embed, which shows the welcome message. Second is the help, which shows this message. Third is the level, which actually helps a user check their level using the Me6 API. I'll get into that later. And finally, the mint level. As you can see, mint uh, the mint command actually takes exclamation point mint and your Tezos wallet address. So it could be any wallet address, Kukai, Temple wallet. It just needs to be a valid Tezos wallet address, and then it mints you the NFT and airdrops it to you. But it only works if you have minimum level requirement of level 10. So this is not that everybody who joins will actually make it to level 10. So it's just to segregate people who are actually contributing to the Plenty Discord server. Post minting the level 10, we have actually created multiple levels. So after level 10, you get an NFT, and then if you keep on continuing and texting on Discord, once you're level 20, then you can claim another NFT from a different collection that is a little rarer. Then if you're above level 30, then you get to claim another NFT from a different collection with a completely different design and art, all from the same NFT bot. And I'll be showing you how. Okay, so as you can see, this account is named by Tarun is actually not level 10. It's currently level 2. And when he sends the command $mint, the random string, the Plenty bot replies that you do not meet the minimum requirement for the mint. And that is what we actually wanted to do. Alright, I'll first show you my rank. As you can see, I'm already level 10 and I'm rank 1 in this server. So I can technically get the NFT from the bot. So let me just hop on to the Kukai. As you can see, currently in this is all based on Hangzhou testnet. So currently none of this was on mainnet. So the Kukai is also on Hangzhou testnet. The deployed contracts are also on Hangzhou testnet. So as you can see, currently there are no NFT collectibles in my wallet. I'll refresh it again as well. Yeah, there are no NFT collectibles. So I'll just copy the address. Yeah. Then I'll hop over to Discord and then I'll write dollar exclamation point mint and then I'll paste my address. What it will do is it's going to take the address, it's going to go through the script, check my level, and it's going to call the contract as per my level for the mint function. The crowd sale contract will mint the NFT, store it in the FA2 contract, and airdrop the NFT back to this address. And I'll guide you through it all over through the blockchain explorer as well. So let's start with the command. Yeah. So it takes a few seconds. As you know, blockchain takes like a few blocks to register the command. As you can see, the mint is successful. Please check your wallet. The bot replies. So we'll just go over to Kukai and then we'll reload. And in NFT collectibles, we have the unknown token. So it's gonna take a little time to index it. And okay, yeah, we're just gonna wait for the metadata to show up in a little while. Till then, I'll show you as to what we are doing in the contract. So the crowd sale contract is deployed on Hangzhou.net, and we can check it on Better Call Dev here. Let me just open that in a new tab. Yeah, open. And the token contract as well. So as you can see, a minute ago, we have a contract called Mint NFT, and which has the Discord ID of the user, that is me. I'll tell you later as to why that is important, and the address. It increases the mint index from 4 to 5 and the airdrop index from 4 to 5, and then calls an internal mint, that is for the FA2 contract, which shows it has token ID 4 and the IPFS is this, with the address this and amount 1, which we can see here a minute ago. It was called from mint NFT, the internal mint, and it's completely dropped. All right. Okay. So now let me try and tell you what we have done here. Okay. So this is the crowd sale contract for our NFT project, the Discord NFT project. So here we come up with two issues, that what if a person has only completed till level 15 and tries to reclaim the NFT? What would happen then? So here, as you can see, we have created a ledger that is T key and value, which is basically the address and the NAT, and we have a check in the mint function that actually checks if the particular address the user sent already has the NFT for level 10 to 15 or not. For level 20 and above, we will have a separate contract. So yes, the user can claim it once again. But for level 10 to 20, he or she can only claim once. Similarly, there is a big map called Discord. What it actually stores, let me just tell you. If I click on my username, I can see a copy ID function. And if I paste this ID, this is the unique ID for my particular account. This will be unique all across Discord. So from here, we can track which users have actually minted. What if the user tries the same mint command but with a different address? So instead of getting two or multiple or infinite number of NFTs, this address has been blocked by getting one NFT, and this Discord ID has been blocked by getting one NFT. So if a user wants multiple NFTs, he or she can create a new account and then or talk their way up to level 10 for getting the next NFT, but they cannot game the system. Hi and welcome back to the explanation of our project. So let me show you what would happen if I completed this command again from the same ID. As you can see, it's going to try and mint from the bot, but the bot will actually check and then reply, user already has an existing NFT. So thus the user cannot game the system and get another NFT from the same ID or the same address. Now we'll hop on over to GitHub and I'll show you and walk through our Discord bot script. So this is a Python script and we are using Tezos module to actually interact with the blockchain, and currently all of this is hosted on our Azure server, which is plenty Discord bot, and it also tracks what is happening. It also shows the errors up and it works 24/7. So yes, the bot is up and online 24/7 as a bot should be. So let me show you. And yeah, so we first import Tezos, which is important for us to interact with the blockchain. Then we have Discord extension because to create a Discord bot, we need to install and import the Discord library. And the Me6 Pi API, which lets us check the user level of any Me6 server without actually, getting into the private stuff of the server or any Discord server. All we need is the guild ID that is public to everyone for any server. So first we initialize Pytezos using the key. So currently we are using in-memory signer and using the key, but the key is completely secure. It is not available on our GitHub, and it is only in our Linux environment, which is protected by Azure Security and Defender. So the possibility of someone getting into the Azure is very less likely. Currently, the Azure is open to any port. Once we finalize this, we can constrict down only to a specific IP or a specific port, and there are a number of major of securities that Azure or any AWS, basically any clouds environment allows us. Second, we tell it our crowd sale contract. So basically, what we'll have to mint. Here we have the Me6 API. So this currently is the guild ID for our test server from which I actually sent it, but this could easily be replaced with Plenty's guild ID. Here is the display embed code where we can customize what the bot can say and how it greets the user when it meets the first time. So we can customize everything. Here is our function mint, which actually first gets the level from the Me6 API of the author ID. Then it checks if the level is less than 10, it says you do not uh, reach the minimum requirement. If it's above level 10 to 20, then it goes to the Pytezos' bulk function and calls the mint NFT, passes the address and the author ID, and then keeps on going. Similarly for 15 to 20, and similarly going on. We have coded it till 30, but yeah, we can create it till 40, 50, 60, 100 with infinite amount of art and whatever Plenty might like. Okay, and here would be the bot secret static token, which is also currently empty, but it is working on the Linux server because we have actually typed it there. Okay, now what I want to show you guys is the contract. Yeah, so this is the crowd sale contract that I have coded. It takes modified NFT. It creates a NFT class to store the NFT. And here is it has admin, it has developer, it has paused. It currently has a max supply of 1,000 because it's on testnet, and we don't want like 10,000 NFTs on the testnet. Once we know it's working fine, so we can update it to 10,000 or maybe even infinite because if there are a lot of number of users joining in Plenty Discord. Yeah, and here is the ledger, which stores the address and the number of NFTs that it has. And here is the Discord big map, which stores the ID and this. Yes, this is completely on-chain. So currently we are not using any centralized server to check the NFT if the user has the NFT or not. But yeah, we can easily check the contract storage, get the big map, and completely without wasting gas. Okay, these are a few functions that are utilities: check admin, pause, register FA2, and here is the main function mint NFT. We first verify if the mint index is less than max supply, obviously. Then we verify if the address is contained inside the big map or if the Discord ID is contained inside the big map. If any of these are false, then the user already has an existing NFT and we exit. Then we create the mint data. We give it an amount. Then we pack the metadata that we have. Yes, I'll show you the metadata. Then we use intercontract calling, and then we transfer the call. We update our indexes and ledgers and Discord big map, and then we have a lot of testing here. All right. This is a standard FA2 contract with a few modifications for allowing a crowd sale. And okay, and finally over to the Kukai. As you can see, the metadata has refreshed on the same account. If I just click Plenty Discord NFT hash 4. Yeah, here we have the Plenty Discord NFT. Plenty NFT for OG Discord members. Here is the image. It has the Plenty logo. It is currently a testing art, but yes, we can put it anything. And the art is created by Hashlips Engine. And here is the contract ID. We can list it, we can send it, we can trade it all over the various marketplaces. Currently on not on testnet, but yeah, on mainnet we can be doing everything with it. And finally, I would like to show you the pinata where everything is the metadata and the art is stored upon. So let me just log in. Yeah, as you can see. So this is the metadata pinata for our Plentybot Discord NFT. Once it loads, I'll show you a sample file. Yeah, and finally, as you can see, this is the one.json. So the first NFT's metadata that is here. So it has a name, description, artifact, display, and thumbnail URI. I'll show you. It's open here. It has a few attributes: bag, body, eye, mount, and all the required metadata and formats like image.png, value, pixel unit, and everything. Here we can actually add the rarity concept that we currently haven't. It's only a generative art concept, but yes, we can add rarity. It's just a few changes, and the creator, yeah, that is my address. And here is the NFT for on hosted on Pinata, which has one.png and can be opened from here. And that is the complete walkthrough of our project. I hope you like it, and I hope we completed the problem statement 5.1 as defined. Thank you and have a nice day.